Hey guys, just a quick update. This is an Alcantara case for the Galaxy Note 8. I got this a couple of months ago. I've been using it for a while now, and I just want to give you an update. The feel, the quality, how well this case was made. I know the price has dropped, so let's go talk about it. Welcome back to your channel. If you're new, consider subscribing. We're always making videos about the Galaxy Note phone. So real quick, I've been using this for a while now. In this case, it's not going to give you the maximum protection, but it's going to be different compared to a lot of the other cases that you can find in the market. Starting real quick with the physical design, all the way around it is going to have protection on the top, on the sides, and on the back. Now you're going to have a little bit of lip protection, top and bottom, but you're not going to have pretty much any protection on the bottom. Well, what I mean is, if you drop it down, it's gonna have the corners that it's gonna protect it, but pretty much anything else on the bottom, if you hit a corner, is not gonna protect the bottom where all the ports are or the bottom of the glass. Now this is gonna be just pretty much up to opinion. Do you think this case is gonna give you the maximum protection? I don't know, but one thing I can tell you with the latest update with the Android Pie One UI, if you're using the swipe feature where you, instead of going the digital buttons where you press home and back, and if you're actually just swiping up, this case is going to be perfect for that. That means that on the bottom, you're not going to have an edge that's going to kind of touch your finger, or kind of is going to get on the way every time you want to swipe up. So that is one thing that I really love about this case, and that's pretty much what I like about it. I mean, the material is kind of more like a suede material. It's not suede, but it kind of feels like suede. It is Alcantara. That's the actual material that it's made of. It is pretty solid. I mean, I feel like it does add some amount of protection if you drop it from the back or on the sides. But overall, it's holding pretty good. Now, a lot of people, I noticed in the reviews, a lot of people have mentioned that theirs got dirty pretty quick, or it started getting scratched, or they can start seeing some wear and tear on the case. And I can tell you, yes, if you are actually not taking care of this case, I can see it will easily get damaged. So for example, there's one spot where I dropped some liquid, some food, and I can tell you the spot is there. And I haven't tried to clean it, but I can tell you it doesn't come off that easily. Other than that, this case has been holding pretty well. For me, I don't see a major issue or a major defect. I do like the frame that goes around the camera. It kind of adds that stylish look. Again, when it comes to the cutouts on the back of the camera, fingerprint sensor, it doesn't get on the way. It works pretty good. Buttons are pretty responsive. They are not easy to find, but overall, once you get used to it, you can find the volume rockers, Bixby button, power buttons. You will be able to find it. It won't be an issue. When it comes to the top, you have your one cutout for the microphone that you have on top. And real quick, one other thing is it does work with wireless charging, fast wireless charging. I don't remember having any issues. Every time I tried using it, it worked pretty good. Other than that, I mean, that's it. This case, if you want to check it out, I've been using it again for a while now, and this case was released, I believe, last year. You can currently pick it up for around $18 on Amazon. It does come in different colors. I think it was a green, a black, a dark gray, and I think there was one more color. But I'll have a link in the description below if you guys want to go check it out. Remember, this case was originally selling for around $50. Let me know in the comment section below what is your favorite case, or any thoughts, any questions that you have about this case. Let me know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you on the next one.